Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best 4K GPS drone. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Pellucid. Model number, F8. The most potent feature of the F8 RC quadcopter drone is its powerful brushless motor. It operates with minimal noise and guarantees longevity without needing to be replaced. With this F8 drone, chances of a breakdown are next to none. This RC helicopter drone easily beats others in the market when it comes to camera quality. With its 4K HD camera, users can capture blur-free images and videos from an aerial distance of 2,000 meters. The camera angles can also be controlled by an app transmitter to pitch between -90 degrees and 0 degrees. Under the GPS mode, this mini drone with camera receives signals from satellites and positions itself accurately. Number 4. Brand name, KCX. Model number, M1. 2-axis stabilization. Click pictures from innovative angles with this mini drone's 2-axis stabilization mechanical pan tilt feature. You can command the aircraft to take off, land and even return from a distance with just a single click. When summoned back, the drone will come to the original location from where it took off. When you make a gesture looking at the drone camera, standing 1 to 3 meters away from it, it will click your picture. The aircraft smartly recognizes the gesture and instantly turns your happy moments into everlasting memories. Now shoot cool videos with this professional drone without any additional effort. Fix a point and then set the radial distance with the joystick and watch the drone take videos encircling the selected object. It can fly for 30 minutes continuously and shoot amazing HD videos at 25 FPS. Number 3. Brand name, SALMAF. Model number, F11 PRO. 5G Wi-Fi FPV. 4K camera, electronic image stabilization, app control flight, GPS auto return, follow me, altitude hold, user-defined flight plan, orbit mode, hand gesture shooting, photo video share, 1 key takeoff, 2-axis stabilized gimbal, 26 minutes long flight time, etc. The upgraded camera with 100 degrees faux lens gives a panoramic view for recording your unforgettable moment. 5G Wi-Fi transmission ensures high-quality real-time video, ideal for selfie. Equipped with 4K cameras, capture amazing pictures and videos from the sky. With stable gimbal, the drone record vibration-free footage. Provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. Built-in return-to-home function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. The high-capacity 2500 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 26 minutes flight time. The motor so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. The drone will automatically follow and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. Number 2. Brand name, FEMI. Model number, X8SE. 3-axis mechanical gimbal. It combines a lightweight 3-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithms, bringing in the ultra-smooth and jello-free videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. You can take your drone with you to capture the beauty of night. The latest positioning system utilizes the downside camera to keep the drone stably hovering at up to 30 meters even without GPS. Flight time is up to 35 minutes with 11.4 volt 4500 mAh LiPo battery. With foldable and portable design, the drone is easy to carry. Number 1. Brand name, SALMAF. Model number, SG906 Pro 2. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, open the app Follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, face the camera to make a photo gesture. Camera gesture. The aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route, and the player will focus on shooting. Find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times to open the map interface. The map displays the last distance, latitude and longitude of the aircraft.